today it's another tutorial, girls. So, well, anyways, this is kind of humiliating because I'll be teaching you today on how to wax your lek-leki or yung kili-kili. Okay, guys, kaya ko to para sa madlang people. Okay, so ayan. So, I have here with me, again, this is a tutorial / review kasi I've been using this wax for, I think, hindi ko naman bilang kung ilang taon. I think, 5 years already, 6 years, I don't know. It's been so long since I've been using this product and I've been loyal to them since that time na na-discover ko siya kasi wala na akong hanapin pang iba with this wax. I love this. Nakailan na ako nito. And ngayon, meron silang new packaging. I don't have the box with me, girls. Forgive me. Kasi yung box nila, it's just yung brown na carton. Which, I'm so allergic with that. So, pag may ganun carton kasi, tinatapon ko na agad dahil mayat-maya na ako mag-sneeze. So, I don't need that at home. Okay. So, ito yung itsura niya, guys. Siguro kung may makikita ko sa internet, ipapaskil ko na lang dito kung anong itsura ng box niya. Okay, so, guys, ito siya. This is NANNY Rose Honey Wax. Okay, this so far, so good. This is a cold wax or pwede nyo rin siyang initin. So, ang binili ko is the 200 grams kasi lagi ko naman itong ginagamit. So, bumili na ako ng malaki. Meron silang smaller size. If you just want to try it out, then go ahead. This one, I think it's almost 250 and above. Sorry, hindi ko kabisado yung presyo niya. Pero yung maliit ata, it's 180 or 189. Mga ganun yung price niya. So guys, it comes also with this, 4 na ganito, okay? Actually, yung dalawa pinapatuyo ko na kasi kagamit ko lang kanina. And then, meron siyang kasamang dalawang ganito. Dalawang ganitong popsicle stick na malaki. Tama ba? So, ayun. And then, eto siya, guys. I'm gonna open it up. So, guys, ganito yung consistency niya. Thick consistency, pero nag-move pa rin siya when you put it down and when you put it upward. So, ganito yung gusto kong consistency niya. By the way, this is a room temperature and ganito yung consistency niya. So, ayan. Hindi siya agad-agad bababa, pero bumababa siya. It's not runny, it's thick, and I think this is a cold wax, okay? I've been using this for years and years now, and I don't see any problems. The smell of this, girls, ang bango. Ang bango nitong NANNY Rose Honey Wax. It smells like honey. Parang ang sarap niya kainin. To be honest, ganun yung pakiramdam ko. And ang una kong ginagawa is I prep my kili-kili. What I mean by prep, you can wash it out and let it dry. Talagang let it dry. And then, if nakita nyo na hindi pa masyadong tuyo, you can put this powder para mawala na rin yung oil, excess oil, or okay. And then, what you need to do is grab this NANNY Rose wax and then go ahead and dip your spatula with it. Get a little bit na alam nyo matatakpan yung area na iwa-wax nyo. So, what I do is I spread it out throughout dun sa buhok ng kili-kili ko. So, matatansya nyo naman yan kung gaano kalapad or gaano kalawak yung kili-kili nyo. Okay? You just have to press it down, up and down, up and down. And then press it until na alam nyo na nakadikit na talaga siya doon sa kili-kili nyo. 30 seconds. Just talaga para mas madikit, and then up and down, grab it. And then all you need to do is take a deep breath and then pull it out. Okay. Girls, it's up to you kung papabang ganyan yung pagtanggal nyo ng wax cloth or pag ganyan yung pataas yung wax cloth. Depende yan sa hair strand ng inyong underarm. So, kung ang hair strand ng underarm nyo is down and up, of course, like what I have, I do it twice. Okay, what I do is, first, lalagay ko siya, di ba? 60 second pat, then, una down, and then, kung ano rin yung ginamit ko, yun lang din yung ididikit ko ulit. Kahit may hair siya, okay lang yan, didikit pa rin, makakatanggal pa rin siya ng hair. What I do is I press it on, up and down again after 30 seconds, then pull it out. Okay, it's up to you kung gaano kahaba yung hair nyo, pero mas maganda kung yung medyo mahaba-haba na yung hair nyo bago kayo mag-wax. Kasi kapag parang yan yung bigo, yung parang tumutubo pa lang, girl, hindi siya makukuha ng wax. So, kailangan pag cold wax yung ginagamit mo, mahaba-haba siya ng onte than the usual thing na gusto mo siyang bunutin. Pag nakita nyo clear na talaga, wala nang ni isang hair, ang ginagawa ko is proceed na tayo sa next, sa kabila. Then, repeat the procedure again. So, eto, tipid tips lang. I don't know kasi minsan ako, sabi ko, sayang, nakakakuha pa rin naman siya ng hair. Kung hindi naman sobrang haba ng hair nyo at hindi naman sobrang dami ng hair nyo, pwede naman kayong maglagay ulit ng onti lang, then the usual thing na isang buo nyo nilalagay. And then, ilagay nyo lang ng onti, and then, yung ginamit nyo na wax cloth, yun ulit yung ilagay nyo dito. And then, do the same procedure. Up and down, 30 seconds, then pull down, pull up, depende sa inyo. And then, makikita nyo, makakakuha pa rin siya ng inyong hairs.
Then, lastly, all you need to do is to put a soothing gel or a soothing lotion after waxing.
So, for me, this one is so tipid. Kahit na mahal siya sa simula, pero girl, magkano ba magpa-wax sa mga wax salon, di ba? Sobrang mamahal niya. And to think na this one is around, I think, lagay mo na sa 300 ito. Ilang gamitan ko na to, I think, this will last up almost a year sa akin. So girls, for me, this one is really, really sulit. Kasi, you know what, ang mahal kapag pumunta ka ng salon, ng wax salon, and then, papagawa ka. Although, if you have the luxury of time, if you have the luxury of money, then why not? And if you don't want to do it on your own, you think it's messy, then go ahead, go to the wax salon. There's nothing wrong about it. But if you're like me, that I'm comfortable doing everything at home and I wanted to do it myself because, you know, it's my time, it's my money that I'm saving. If that's you, then go ahead and pwede nyo tong i-try. So this one, I'll give it a rating 5 because it's sulit, it's tipid, and then it's easy to use. Nakita nyo naman sa video, I did that, wala pa atang 5 minutes, nakapag-wax na ako. Ito lang girls, kung hindi kayo nagbubunot at saray kayo sa razor, mabibigla kayo kasi masakit yung wax. Okay, hindi naman siya sakit na talagang ouch, ganun na parang sisigaw ka or anything. It's depend on your pain tolerance. Pero for me, hindi na siguro sa akin bago yun dahil nagbubunot ako ng kili-kili. If you know the pain ng pagbubunot ng buhok sa kili-kili, then I think this one will work for you. Kasi ang bilis lang niya. Imagine dati, talagang minsan ang sakit talaga, ang tagal. Magbunot ng kili-kili, nangangalay na yung braso ko, hindi pa rin ako tapos. And then, minsan, yung pagkuha ko na sa tweezer para mag-black, girl, ang sakit, minsan nakukurot ko pa yung sarili ko. So, doubling pain na nga. Masakit na nga yung binubunot, then maiipit pa siya ng tweezer. So, imagine that, girl. And then this one, as easy as 2 minutes. Yun nga lang, medyo painful dun sa mga nagsisimula. Pero for me, wala na ako nararamdaman na pain. Maybe because I acquired that tolerance throughout the year. Wala na akong pain na nararamdaman. And it's so easy and so much affordable, okay? So, alam naman natin, girls, na kailangan lagi tayong hairless, lalo na ngayon, summer, kasi madalas tayong naka-sleeveless. And nakaka-boost din ng confidence yung, for me ha, nakaka-boost ng confidence kapag wala akong hair dito sa aking kilikili kasi I can just raise my hands like that. Okay, so, ayun lang girls. And this is also safe kasi it is all natural and I like that. So, yeah, if I'm gonna compare this to the hot wax, no, I'm not gonna go back to the hot wax again. I'll go here with a cold wax and I like this cold wax. So, if you're gonna ask me, mas gusto ko ba tong gamitin or magpasalon? For me, kasi, I value my time and I value money. So, mas gustuin ko na lang na do it yourself kasi kaya ko namang gawin and yung time ko na para pumunta parang wax salon to wait and then antayin and then everything. I just do it on my own. I just wanted to do it yourself thing, ganyan. So, mas madali yun para sa akin. It applies on me. And, well, girl, if you're not comfortable doing this on your own, then go ahead, go to the wax salon. Walang pumipigil sa'yo. Pero girls, ito lang sasabihin ko, matipid kapag gagamit ka nito. And napakadali lang, do it yourself. So, ito naman, sa mga nagtatanong, meron ka na bang mga nagamit na wax? Yes, I have tried hot wax, yung Epilene. Ang hirap gamitin kasi initin mo pa and all. This one is very convenient. Ito na ito, as is na, ganyan. Apply it, then, wax. Ganun lang kadali. And then, dati na-try ko na rin yung beat. It doesn't work, girl. And then, marami pa ako na-try. Yung isa nito, yung parang cold wax din na nabibili sa Watson's. I don't know if that's Mangosteen, yung brand na yun. Girl, it doesn't work. This one works. Hindi ako lumilipat. I've been using this for years and yun nga, one time, nag-try ako ng ibang cold wax and bumalik ako dito sa NANNY Rose. I love this. And this one, so far, so good, so sulit. If you guys want to try it out, then go ahead. And dun sa mga nakapag-try na nitong NANNY Rose Wax, just comment down below yung mga opinions and suggestions nyo kung paano nyo ginagamit itong cold wax na to. And then, guys, that's it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. And kung bago ka dito sa aking channel, don't forget or hesitate to click that subscribe button and yung katabi yung bell button so you get notified for my next gandang videos. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!